Hey everyone, Drew here, and this is my first ever unboxing video of 2023. And as you can see, a package just came in the mail for me, so that means I just got a package. Sorry, the volume was down. Let's try again. I just got a package. I just got a package. I just got a package. I wonder what's inside. Alright, let's open this up and see what we got. Oh, yes. What could it be? Ho ho ho! Oh, you guys! I just got the Wiggles Splish Splash Big Red Boat DVD. Pretty cool, huh? Let's open it. Oh, I need a trusty pair of scissors. Alright, I got my trusty pair of scissors. Let's go ahead and open this up. This DVD, this here in my hand, came out in 2006. Oh, wait. This DVD contains 14 songs. You gotta get the bottom too. Alright, I'm gonna show you the disc first. Oh. There's still more of this stuff here. Get this top part off. And this DVD is distributed by 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Let me just get this part off with my scissors. My favorite song on this DVD is definitely the Big Red Boat song. This is what the disc looks like, everyone. And there's still more of this stuff right here on the bottom. Let me just go ahead and get that off. There we go. That's better. So let me put this back in. So we have the disc itself. Oh, there's that. So we have the disc and the parent's guide. I'm going to show you the parent's guide real quick. So this is what the parent's guide looks like, everyone. And we can also get the Wiggle and Dance DVD 3-pack, which is great. And now, for this next video, I'm gonna watch it on my portable DVD player. So stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget, everybody, I'm the Assistant Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.